It's raining in Pattaya city in February after quite many months that it has been raining since last year. I think about September, October was the last rain, and then it stopped for about 4-5 months. Yet it's raining again in Pattaya city. I'm driving towards Jom Tien. This is the South Pattaya Road. That's the bridge to Bali High Pier where you go to Koh Lan. What I'm seeing is tourists start to come out, but definitely not today. But I see more tourists coming out, well, especially during the evening time. The pubs, bars, entertainment, nightlife are yet now open, but not all. By looking, I can say that it may be about 20 or 30% of what we used to have that are open. But Pattaya still lives on, and this is the road on Pratamnak Road, Pratamnak Hill. I'm driving to Jom Tien Zone. It's a surprise rain, I don't know, quite a surprise. After the weather has been humid for at least 2 to 3 months. There were no rains, but yet we have the rain. I'm hoping people will start coming out within the next hour. Yet it's about 4 o'clock. Oh, it doesn't look that it's gonna stop soon. Well, as today it has been raining since 2 o'clock. That's already 2 hours. Pattaya can definitely expect some floodings today. We are quite famous for a surprise floods in some areas. But now I'm driving on the hillside of Pattaya. But you can see some low floods on the road, which I have to drive very carefully right now. Here, see what will happen after the winter time, and then we'll have the summer, which is about now up until March, April, May. Thailand, especially in Pattaya and the eastern coast, should be hot and humid, and that hot and humid weather can cause rains like this on some days, which is all right. At least hotels, restaurants and bars are open, so we have some places to go. Yeah, and I'm definitely hoping that Pattaya will get back to busy season soon. Maybe the second half of the year or the last quarter of the year, when foreign tourists start coming back, you know. Yeah, I'm hoping that. See you.